and hi everybody, my name is Lorena Cosentino, and I've been doing, I'm an esthetician for the past 8 years and a laser tech for the past 4 years. So I do most of these treatments all the time, so like the doctor said, please feel free to just ask any questions, even after class, okay? So we're gonna go, I just wanna make sure that everybody understands pretty well what is microdermabrasion. It's a very popular treatment, okay? How many people here had microdermabrasion in the past? So we have 1, 2, 3, just 3? 3, 4, okay. So see, maybe not everybody knows what microdermabrasion can do for you and how easy it is and the great results that you can get. So here are some of the benefits of the microdermabrasion. It's actually, no invasive, okay? You won't have any downtime after treatment. It's basically deep exfoliation with, of course, a machine. So it won't be compared with just regular, creams out there. It's actually a mechanical exfoliation that removes dead skin, okay? So therefore, you ended up having, smoother skin, softer, and feeling much, much fresher, okay? And looking fresher also. You can do all skin types, from Fitzpatrick 1 to 6, and of course, all Gauss, okay? And it's also, it's pretty affordable. It's not expensive at all. Microdermabrasion can vary between, depending on your area, $100 to $150 a treatment. And, like I said, depending on your area. So a lot of the patients, once they try micro, they really like it, and they can come and get it, and once a month or every 3 months just to maintain the good results, okay? Yeah.
How often?
Okay, question.
How often is too often to do microdermabrasion?
Oh, how often? We do it every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, at the office, we do the microdermabrasion. And most of the time, we just don't do once, because you remove some dead skin with one treatment, but optimally, it will be 6 treatments after, and it's every 2 weeks, okay? Now, of course, how the microdermabrasion works. It's actually creating blood flow, okay, and bringing all the nutrients up to the surface, to the epidermis, and also removes, the dead skin. So again, you're getting, smoother skin. It cleans the pores. One of the things about microdermabrasion that it's great, it's that the blackheads, the milia, since it helps for exfoliation, you can also remove it with micro. I always tell this to all the patients, it's even better than just a facial. Facial is great, because a lot of people say, I can have a facial instead, just like instead of you doing the micro. And I said, well, facial is just great for putting nutrients in and relaxing, putting some nutrients and relaxing, but it's not the same as micro. Micro really removes that skin, okay? And I don't know how many people know in here that how many days we actually do a cell turnover in our skin and epidermis. Somebody knows? It's every 30 days. Every 30 days you're, getting, new skin. So what micro does is speeding that process. So you're not showing dead skin all the time, you're showing new skin. So new, of course, dead skin, right? So here we have, how the micro works. Of course, it's a low vacuum setting applies low force, high vacuum setting applies high force. So it's all about the technique. Of course, like micro, it's a vacuum, okay, with some abrasion on the skin. So if you do softer strokes and softer, not as fast, will be very, a gentle treatment. If it's, you go faster with the strokes and also stronger, vacuum, you will get definitely, more aggressive treatment, okay? It is not painful. We're actually gonna, some of you guys are gonna be doing the treatment today. It's not painful. okay? Especially the first time, we always want to under-treat, right? Because we want to see how the skin reacts. Some patients, they have very thick skin, so you won't, like they won't get any abrasion, like scratch. You will see in some patients, if they have very delicate skin, very sensitive, they can get like a scratch. So you want to make sure that you under-treat, like you want to do low settings the first treatment, and then, work yourself up, okay? What else? Vacuum pressure, along with the exfoliating medium. Well, here it's saying the different type of microdermabrasions. The crystals, diamond, and Bristol tips. Okay, exfoliation treatments today. Well, this is some information for you guys about how popular it is in microdermabrasion these days. So did you see the difference? You see like the cells here, all these oriented, they don't have any organization. Here after a micro, they're definitely, much better. And with a micro peel, you actually ended up having, better results. And I'm gonna explain that later, when we go through the slides, okay?